Okay, so for this question, we need to find the moment of inertia about the axis with respect to B and C. So that's the first thing we need to find. So let's go ahead and do that. So we need to find BC. So this is equal to MARA. And this is equal to 3.30 kilograms times 0.4 meters squared. So this is equal to 0.048 kilograms times meters squared. So this is with respect to B and C. So now the next part of the question is to find the moment of inertia with respect to A. So let's go ahead and find that now, the next part of the question. So we have with respect to A. So this is equal to MBRB squared. So R plus MCRC squared. So now let's go ahead and plug in our values. So this is equal to 0.10 kilograms times 0.50 meters squared plus 0.20 kilograms times 0.40 meters squared. So now what we need to do is solve this equation. Solve this equation. So when we solve this, we're going to see that this is equal to 0.057 kilograms times meters squared. So this is the solution with respect to A. And that's how we're able to solve this problem, finding the moment of inertia with respect to B and C and with respect to A.